Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a recipe that kids will absolutely love. Cheesy potato balls. I used about 1 kilo of potatoes. To make them cook faster, cut them roughly into pieces. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Add enough water to cover them and place them on the stove. Boil the potatoes until they soften. Drain the excess water from the boiled potatoes and transfer them into a mixing bowl. Mash them while they're still hot for easier mashing. Then leave the mashed potatoes to cool. Once cooled, add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Add half a tea glass of cornstarch. And 1 egg. Since I already added salt to the potatoes, I added only 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a little grated nutmeg. Knead well. Then, I took walnut-sized portions. You can make them smaller if you prefer. I used about 1 bowl of diced mozzarella cheese. As shown in the video, press the center open with your finger. Place a cube of cheese inside and seal it, rolling it into a ball in your hand. After shaping all the potato balls, place them into hot oil. At first, carefully turn them to avoid breaking their shape. Fry them until all sides are golden and crispy, stirring occasionally. Transfer the fried potato balls onto a paper towel-lined plate and serve them hot. They're a perfect match for breakfast spreads, hamburgers, meatballs, or chicken dishes. I hope you'll try and enjoy them too. If you've watched my video up to here,